Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm David.
And I'm Anna. Thank you for learning English with us today.
This podcast is for beginners.
We use easy words. We speak slowly.
Today's topic is your evening.
Today, we will practice daily life English.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe.
Good job for practicing English today. David, what is the evening?
Good question. The evening is after work or school.
It is usually after 5 or 6 o'clock.
In the evening, we relax.
We eat dinner.
We watch TV or talk with family.
Talking about your evening is very common in English.
Let's learn a key sentence.
Repeat after me. In the evening, I...
Great job.
Examples. In the evening, I eat dinner.
In the evening, I watch TV.
In the evening, I relax at home.
Very simple. Very useful.
Now, your turn. In the evening, I...
Excellent. Now, let's learn common evening activities.
Listen and repeat. Eat dinner.
Watch TV.
Cook food.
Take a shower.
Talk with family.
Go to bed early.
Example sentence. In the evening, I cook food.
My example. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family.
Nice and clear.
We can also say after work or after school.
Repeat. After work. I...
Good job.
Examples. After work, I relax.
After work, I eat dinner.
For students, after school, I do homework.
Very common daily English.
Now let's listen to a real conversation.
Listen first, then repeat later.
Hi, David. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I eat dinner and watch TV.
Do you relax at home?
Yes, after work, I relax at home.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That's a good evening routine.
Thank you.
Listeners, this is real daily English.
Some learners think they need long sentences.
But short sentences are perfect.
You can say dinner, TV, relax.
That's okay for beginners.
Later, you can say, in the evening, I relax and watch TV.
Practice slowly. You are doing great. Let's review today's lesson.
Today, you learned how to talk about your evening, use in the evening, I, talk about daily activities.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Community question. What do you do in the evening?
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
Example, in the evening, I eat dinner and watch TV.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Keep practicing English every day. Bye.